Okay, Taurus. Original Taurus. May 14th to June 19th. Emerald, Alexandrite, Bull, Kidney, Thymus, Friday, Jasper, Copper, Venus. Number 1. What cards can we get for Taurus? Any messages that need to come through? Possibly. Making these ones short, preferably under 10 minutes. Each one. We got the Emperor in reverse. What are you doing that you shouldn't be? Or what do you need to be doing that you are not? Emperor. Scandle. Public reproach. Shame. Defamatory talk and slander. Please make sure whatever words you're using, Taurus, they're in a positive light. Put your energy into yourself, not into others. What we got? Seclusion, act of secluding, retired, mode of life, privacy. Okay, so if you're retired and you're bored, get a hobby. Do not start picking on other people. If you are currently unemployed right now and you're looking for employment, then make use of your time. Flight, absence. Maybe you're looking to take a flight. Immaturity, ineffectiveness, indecision, inability, weakness of character, failure to control petty emotions. Remember, if we react based off of triggers, it just means that's something we haven't addressed that we need to address. That is just a form of showing us what traumas we haven't healed. So it's just something we need to take a look at, where it came from, where it stemmed from, what our part was in it, not other people, what they did to us, just our part in it. Doesn't matter how far back or what age, but pretty much as a gauge, you can use whatever you're acting out of. So if you're in a situation you know you're acting immature, ask yourself, what age am I acting right now? Is it 12? Is it 6? Is it like 18? How old was I when the trauma occurred that's triggered me? Maybe that might help you solve whatever issues you need to solve here. Queen of Cups in reverse. So maybe it's somebody that you have an issue with, a feminine, that's not giving you her love, or maybe she has turned her back on you, or maybe she has treated you in some way to create this sort of animosity. I see a table there. It's set in green. Food of comfort. Maybe you're using food for comfort. And she's got the cup. It's full of flowers instead of water. So instead of emotions, maybe she's trying to grow something. Maybe this is you. Maybe you're not ready to give your love to somebody. If it's a feminine, maybe you're not ready to give your love out. Maybe there's an emperor that's been kind of grinding you a little bit and not in a positive way. Remember, toxic relationships, if we're not keeping our emotions in check, they can get in the way. Yeah. Okay, so we had the Emperor in reverse and the Queen of Cups. And then we got the Ten of Cups in reverse. So not so much a happy family. Just remember, Taurus, if we're causing our own grief, it's going to spread to everybody around us too, from within outwards. So we worry about what's on the inside first. Figure that out, heal that, and everything around us should start to align properly. See what we can get. Inert. Destitute of the power of moving itself, or of active resistance. To motion, impressed, lifeless, sluggish, or inactive. Maybe you're feeling lack of energy. Maybe whatever issues that have not been resolved emotionally are kind of transmuting into, or are kind of coming out in the form of the physical. So maybe you don't feel so motivated. Maybe a little bit depressed or whatever. But remember, you got to go within like the Hermit in order to get any answers so we can work on the rest of it. Because you want the Ten of Cups. If it's not with a partner, at least with yourself. Coffin. Could be a death of a way of thinking. The chest. If you're smoking a lot, please watch that. The chest in which a dead man or dead human body is buried. Okay, so maybe we need to put rest certain ways of thinking. Maybe somebody is passing away. If you are, try to transition in a positive way. Remember, in my opinion anyways, death is not the end. To enclose in a coffin. I'm getting the chest again. Something to do with breathing. Pie. A paste baked with something. That's 3.14. So it could be 4 and 4 is 8. A paste baked with something in or under it. Maybe you have something in the works. Maybe you have a slice of pie. A mass of types of sorted. A mass of types unsorted. So maybe you have to get your stuff in order. Maybe your business. Maybe certain things you have to. The magpie. That's also a form of a bird. Maybe you're seeing magpies. Maybe you're a baker. Maybe you're worried so much on a relationship instead of focusing on your business. Maybe patience is in order. Alchemy as well, because baking is a form of alchemy. It's precise. Crater, a bowl, the circular cavity or mouth of a volcano. I'm having a hard time speaking. Hole in the ground caused by the explosion of a shell, bomb, or mine. All right. Maybe you're in no man's land right now. You're kind of in the middle. Watch how you speak. Don't fall into any holes in the ground. I guess other people could dig certain traps for you. Be careful with that. You could put yourself in your own trap with the words that you speak. Say them out of love. Okay, what else we got? For Taurus. Taurus. What else we got? When push comes to shove. Careful with that one. Because in some countries, the first one to hit, even if you're defending yourself, gets in trouble. So be careful of that. Seclude. Again with that. To shut up apart. Okay, I'm getting the shut up spell thing again. To separate, to withdraw into solitude. So if you're going through a separation, if you're going through an ending, make sure self-care is very important. Make sure you have everything in order, your finances or anything that you have to settle. Make sure to do it with class, respect for yourself, no fighting, keep your emotions in check, and breathe. Keep yourself on track. It sounds almost depressing. You got the depressing music in the background here. Almost like Gone with the Wind. What else we got? Inclement. Not a clement. Harsh, stormy, vigorous, and cold. If you're going through your storm right now, hang on. Okay, you got to go through the storm to get to the other side, to get your rainbow. Right? Want to turn that into that? Happy rainbow. What else we got? Cogent. C-O-G-E-N-T. Forcible. Convincing. Don't let anybody do anything against your will. Alright? Alright, we got one rune. Listen to music. That helps. I almost dropped that ball. Again, we got Trvle. If you don't know the runes, look them up. Let's see. Almost looks like a lightning bolt. Zed. Okay. Hopefully that helps.